because some my lord clash between local MLA and petitioner, and the result is 5 years, my lord, I have to shut down my shop. But the thing is, my lord, there are 8 to 10 shops, my lord, on the same road, no action is taken. Anyway, my lord, now
That's
they
a
are-
different thing. If
Well,
no action is taken against somebody,
No,
that
no,
doesn't
no,
mean that
no.
you evade
No.
or you.
I appeal for R3, Your Lordship. In respect of prayer number 3, it may be granted with the condition that loading and unloading through heavy vehicles, let him carry out before 9 o'clock.
No,
in the
yesterday you were making the
Yes, yes.
submission.
Yes, ma'am.
You mentioned it at
Yes.
5:30. What is this?
My lord, he is running, my lord, a shop, cement, my lord, shop.
Hmm.
And, my lord, it was not cancelled, my lord, as per
Annexure P, page
P,
86.
annexure P.
Hmm.
My lord, on the ground that the running of this, my lord, would cause hazardous to the health, hazardous to the residents of that area and all. But the thing is, my lord, there are 8 to 10 shops, my lord, on the same road, no action is taken. Anyway, my lord, now
That's
they
a
are-
different thing. If
Well,
no action is taken against somebody,
No,
that
no,
doesn't
no,
mean that
no.
you evade or you. What is this matter? You
my lord,
are
annexure P, page 86, my lord.
carrying out cement vending
Cement, my
business
lord, shop, my lord.
in a residential area,
No, not residential,
Not a
commercial,
residential area. It is.
commercial area.
commercial.
A photograph, say, lordship, and it's page 39.
Hmm.
It is a commercial area, not a residential area. What he says is,
All commercial shops are there.
my lord, page
This is
39,
commercial area.
Hmm.
page 39.
Yes.
This is, my lord, a commercial area. It is not, my lord, in the residential. It is by the side of a highway, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, that what happened is, my lord, it is not on this ground. Some ground is, my lord, they have found, because some, my lord, clash between local MLA and petitioner. And the result is 5 years, my lord, I have to shut down my shop.
What is this communication at Annexure P? What is the
Annexure
case
P.
really?
P, my lord,
P,
P.
Your Lordship. Page 86, there was an accident and one person had died in that accident. So we had issued this notice,
Accident was in front of his shop.
his shop,
Because of the business, there was an accident.
business, because that is a junction where his shop is situated. 2 roads are there and 2 schools are there adjacent to his property within 100 meters. So that was the request by this notice. What we had asked the petitioner is to shift his shop. We are ready to give you the trade license. You just shift the shop from this premises. Now, if he wants to run his shop in the very same premises, the only condition what we are trying to impose is that let him, loading and unloading should be carried before 9 o'clock in the morning and after 6 o'clock in the evening. If that is done,
Before the school hours, after the school.
before the school hours and after school hours. If that is done.
No, I have no objection for that. I have no objection. But your lordship kindly see the PA, that is not the ground. Anyway, my lord, if they are, my lord, issue trade license, I abide by, my lord, what is the condition now, my lord, stated by another friend. I have no objection. So loading and unloading through lorries would be carried out only, my lord, after 6, my lord, PM, before 9 AM in the morning.
What time does the school start?
9:30.
10:30.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು one school 9:30 ಅದು LKG ಇಂದ.
No problem.
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9:30 and one school
9:30. The other
9:30.
school?
The other school 10.
10 o'clock.
So 9 before 9.
9:30 and 10 o'clock ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ schools.
10:30.
Normally schools start a little early.
LKG ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ. So it starts from 9:30.
Which is the earliest that the school
9:30.
starts? 9:30. So you make it 8:30 so that ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ buffer ಇರುತ್ತೆ. As far as possible by 8:30, maximum by 9. Before, at least half an hour before the school starts. Some children start coming a little earlier. Petitioner is before this court. In oral instruction, are you filing an affidavit?
But yesterday commissioner was,
He was present yesterday. Your Lordship.
yesterday, my lord, he was present. He,
On instructions,
On
you are-
instruction, he was present and
give us the name of the person.
Chandan.
Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following reliefs. Alleging that the loading and unloading activities at the premise of the petitioner is causing public nuisance, the respondent had issued annexure P notice calling upon the petitioner not to carry on such businesses. As also did not renew the trade license in respect of the property of the petitioner. Shri Prithvi Vadeyar, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 3 on instruction of so-and-so, submits that the issue which has arisen was on account of two schools functioning near the premises of the petitioner. Though the property of the petitioner is situated in the commercial area and the business is permitted, the nuisance being caused to the schools and the children was the reason for issuance of the said notice. On instructions, he submits that if the loading and unloading at the premise of the petitioner is carried out before 8:30 a.m. in the morning and after 6 p.m. in the evening,
But through lorries, my lord, lorries.
6 p.m. to what time? There'll be other people in it. 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, through lorries ಅಂತ.
9.
6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. From 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening, the respondents will renew the trade license. The S.V. Prakash, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner would also adhere to the set timeline and the loading and unloading through lorries would not be carried out apart from the times above mentioned. He submits that undertaking to that effect, affidavit of undertaking to that effect would be submitted by the petitioner to the respondent within 7 days from today. In that view of the matter, the respondent themselves having come forward to issue the trade license to the petitioner, I pass the following order. Circular is issued, the notice to communication dated 13/8/2020 at Annexure P is quashed. Respondents are directed to consider the affidavit of undertaking to be furnished by the petitioner and process the same as per the submissions made today.
Along with the application for renewal, because that has to be renewed now.
Along with the
affidavit-
application for renewal to be submitted in online manner, accompanied by all necessary documents. Within 30 days from the date of such submission.